Hi, good day to all. Please use this video on using Center Absentee Statement mobile app. First, the user has to download the Center Absentee mobile app named as TGBIE M services from the Google Play Store. After downloading the mobile app and after installing, the user has to open the mobile app and the user has to click on this officer tab and has to enter the username and password provided to the user. For example, I am logging in with devo_47001 and the password as BIE@123. For all users, the default password will be BIE@123. After entering the username and password, the user has to click on login button. So the OTP will be sent to the concerned user mobile number and the user has to enter the OTP received to the mobile number. After entering the OTP, the user has to click on validate OTP button. So after the OTP is validated, the screen will be displayed to set the MPIN. Here the user has to set the MPIN, which is confidential to the user only and should not be disclosed to any others. After entering the MPIN, the user has to click on set MPIN button. The message will be displayed like MPIN set successfully. So again the user has to enter the MPIN to proceed to next section. After entering the MPIN, the user has to click on login button. So after successful verification of the MPIN, the screen will be displayed which is shown in the screen. So the user has to download the masters before starting the scanning process. The user has to click on this left side menu and has to click on this download option. There will be 3 masters which the user has to download. One is centers master, second one is subjects master, third one is status master. The user has to click on each section to download the masters. After successful download, the message will be displayed like this. For example, center information downloaded successfully. The user has to download all the 3 masters and has to go back to the previous section, which is called online absentee statement. The user has to click on this online absentee statement tab. Here the dates will be displayed based on which the examinations will be conducted. Here the user has to click on the particular exam date to start the scanning process. Here there will be 4 sections named as blank barcodes, absentees, malpractices, not offered. The user has to scan the barcodes according to the sections one by one in the chronological order. First, the user has to click on blank barcode section. There will be option called are there any blank barcodes with options yes and no. If there are no blank barcodes to be scanned, the user has to click on no. If there are any blank barcodes to be scanned, the user has to click on yes. Automatically, one icon will be displayed to the right side of this section and the user has to click on this scan icon to scan the blank barcode. After scanning the blank barcode, the user has to select the option in this section. One is subject change, second one is damaged barcode, third one is OMR not printed. Suppose if the user scans the blank barcode pertaining to subject change, the user has to select subject change option. and has to scan the barcode of hall ticket number. So after that, the user has to select the second language and has to click on submit button. So the data will be displayed here, which is scanned.